Friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today we will prepare cabbage rolls in an unusual way, without meat but with a juicy filling of fish and mushrooms. This dish is light, healthy, contains no fast-acting carbohydrates, and is suitable for those who monitor their blood sugar levels. Savoy cabbage is used. It is softer and more flexible, but regular white cabbage will also work. The leaves are boiled until soft, so they are easy to wrap. Cabbage is a source of fiber, vitamins K and C, and contains a minimal amount of carbohydrates, about 3 to 4 grams per 100 grams. For the filling, 300 grams of fresh fish are taken, in this case, salmon. Fish is rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support heart health. The salmon is cut into pieces and sautéed in dry white wine. The alcohol evaporates, with the addition of butter and olive oil, salt, and black pepper. After cooking, the salmon is flaked with a fork into small pieces. In the same pan, champignon mushrooms are sautéed. They are low in calories, contain beneficial minerals and beta-glucans that support the immune system. Salt, black pepper, dried garlic, and half of a small onion for aroma and sweetness are added. A small amount of coconut flour is added to the mushrooms. It contains no gluten, is rich in fiber, and is suitable for people with diabetes. Then heavy cream, 10 to 20%, is added. It gives the dish a rich taste and helps stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates. The sauce is simmered until thickened. The cooked salmon is returned to the mushrooms, along with fresh herbs, parsley and dill. The filling is tasted and the salt and seasonings are adjusted. Forming the cabbage rolls, each prepared cabbage leaf is filled with the mixture and carefully rolled. The cabbage rolls can be fried, stewed, or baked. They can be baked with or without sauce, tomato sauce, sour cream sauce, or yogurt-based sauce. In this version, a small amount of broth was added to the baking dish, and the cabbage rolls were baked in the oven. A fresh sauce is prepared for serving. Greek yogurt with 10% fat, rich in protein, low glycemic index, fresh herbs, lemon juice, salt, and black pepper. The cabbage rolls can be served as a standalone dish or complemented with a salad made of fresh vegetables and herbs. Each cabbage roll contains practically no fast-acting carbohydrates. The fish and mushrooms provide protein and healthy fats. The cabbage and herbs provide fiber. And the yogurt sauce offers additional protein without causing blood sugar spikes. Source recipe taken from the channel Keto and Low Carb Recipes.